एफिडेविट सिग्नेचर्स किसके हैं? एसपी के हैं, तो एसपी साहब तो आपके आ ही गए ना सामने, तो जरा पूछ लेते हैं सर, हमको पूछ रहे, अब आप पूछने दीजिए।
एक चीज बताना चाह रहा हूँ सर, इसमें बेसिकली जो आत्मा रिपोर्ट तो 2019 में था वो पेश नहीं हुआ था, दैट इज द मेन ग्रीवेंस। नाउ दैट इज
किसका ग्रीवेंस है सर? ये किसका ग्रीवेंस है?
इट हैज डन इन 2019
सर ये किसका ग्रीवेंस है?
in fact it has been
सर ये किसका ग्रीवेंस है कि खात्मा रिपोर्ट 19 में पेश हो तैयार हो गया पर पेश नहीं हुआ?
सर ये
एप्लीकेंट का ग्रीवेंस है क्या?
ड्यूरिंग द कोर्ट
एप्लीकेंट तो क्वेश्चन के लिए आया हुआ है, तो ये किसका ग्रीवेंस है सर? प्लीज,
आई एम अवेयर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन मारो विच मैटर सर।
यस, किसका ग्रीवेंस है सर?
In fact, it is our duty, Mother, to.
अरे किसका ग्रीवेंस है सर?
In fact, it is our.
Sir, please answer my query. I am not supposed to repeat the things again and again. You have said that it is the grievance that although the charge this Khatna report was approved by the authorities in the year 2019, still it is not filed. Whose grievance is this? Whose grievance is this?
In fact, during.
Swapnil ji, whose grievance is this?
In fact, Mother, it is.
स्वप्निल जी किसका ग्रीवेंस है ये?
It is our fault, Mother, that.
स्वप्निल जी किसका ग्रीवेंस है ये?
I'll not say.
आपने कहा है कि द ग्रीवेंसेस,
What has happened, Mother? During.
आपने कहा ना द ग्रीवेंसेस, कहा ना, किसका ग्रीवेंस है बता तो दो। अरे
सर मेरा सबमिशन
मिस्टर गांगुली प्लीज, मिस्टर गांगुली प्लीज,
पेश कर दिया सर हमने।
कुछ भी हो,
अब सर
कुछ भी हो,
अब सर एक इशू
मिस्टर गांगुली प्लीज आंसर माय क्वेरी, किसका ग्रीवेंस है?
सर ये
किसका ग्रीवेंस है? मैंने आपसे कहा था आप शांति से बैठ जाओ, अब आप अपने लिए मुसीबत खुद बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, बढ़ाइए।
नहीं तो मैं बढ़ाना नहीं चाहता।
आपने कहा द ग्रीवेंस इज दैट द चार्ज दैट प्रपोजल कोड हैज नॉट बीन फाइल्ड।
वो सर क्वेश्चन पे आया।
आपने कहा दिस इज द ग्रीवेंस इज दैट द प्रपोजल रिपोर्ट हैज नॉट बीन फाइल्ड।
सब्जेक्ट हियरिंग
Your contention is that it is the grievance that proposal report has not been filed. Whose grievance is this, sir?
In fact, I will formulate my
No, I won't allow you to formulate and reformulate your submissions.
my submission.
I will not allow you to formulate because you are speaking on behalf of your SP. When I was of the view that I should have a one-to-one talk with your SP, then you stepped in. मैंने आपसे पहले ही कहा था।
मैं इंटरप्रेट नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं आप करिए ना।
मैं सिर्फ इतना कह रहा हूँ।
नहीं मत करिए। आप पहले आप ये बताइए कि किसका ग्रीवेंस है ये?
Grievance to the during the course of the hearing.
किसका ग्रीवेंस है ये बताइए?
It has in accordance with law or date.
किसका ग्रीवेंस है ये बताइए?
So ये I will recapitulate my words, Mother. The words are that, Mother, that during the course of the hearing, Mother, it has been brought to the notice, Mother, that the challan could not have been filed.
So it was the grievance of the court.
I am not saying so.
Then why did you use the word grievance?
Mother,
Now, Mr. SP, come forward. Please read out your first affidavit. What have you mentioned? And don't forget that just now the word grievance has been used. Is it your first posting?
Yes, sir.
Not first posting.
As SP, sir, it is
I know you are SP.
Sir.
I can find it out from the stars.
second posting as SP.
Second posting, right, sir. कितना टाइम हो गया आपका एज एन एसपी सर?
Sir, I was posted in Jhabua before for
For how many days?
17 months, sir.
17 months. So this is the 18th or 19th month as SP.
Yes, sir, 18th, sir.
18th month. तो 1.5 साल हो गया है आपको. So you must be aware of the legal provisions, right? You must be aware of the language which is to be used. You must be aware of the fact that some words may indicate the arrogance on the part of the deponent. Just don't forget that just now it has been held that the grievance is that the closure report was not filed. Right? Now that grievance has been attributed to the court. Right? That means you have an arrogance of saying that I have a guts to object to your conduct. Why you are saying no?
I'm sorry.
What is the meaning of grievance? If the court had put a question to you, you had pointed out that the sanction was granted, that we were sitting over that closure report for the last 5 years. So you mean that the court should not say anything or should not raise any doubt about your integrity. Are you above the law? This is what you want to communicate. Don't say no. Apart from the documents and your conduct.
Sorry for the language, sir.
Sorry for the language. So you are admitting that you don't have knowledge about the language. You can speak whatever you want. Now please come to the affidavit. The affidavit which was filed yesterday. दिखाइए कॉपी मेरे को उसकी. I don't think whether it is on record or not. फाइल कर दिया था आपने कल, तो उसकी कॉपी दीजिएगा. Now I will request you to keep the word grievance in mind. Right? This affidavit was signed by you. You must have gone through it. You must have dictated it. Right? Please come to paragraph 3 of your affidavit.
Paragraph 3, sir.
Paragraph 3, sir. Please read it out, sir.
That in the aforesaid note, it has been indicated that the then Superintendent of Police, Chhatarpur, has permitted for the filing of Khatma report in crime number 14 by 2019 on 14/9/2019.
Right, sir. Then, sir, paragraph 4.
Sir, that on the aforesaid pretext,
What is the meaning of pretext? And don't forget the word grievance, which has been used today. You have so much arrogance in you. You have so much of arrogance on you. This is what my personal impression is. Not finding that for your actions, how can I raise a doubt or how can I raise a question? What is the meaning of pretext? Please point it out, sir. I am very weak in language, sir. I beg your pardon. What is the meaning of protest?
I'm sorry, sir, for that.
For what, sorry, sir? In the affidavit, you are saying that since this SP had granted sanction to file closure report sometime in 19, and it is still lying in the police station, therefore on that protest I have issued the order to file affidavit. Is it not the arrogance of the Superintendent of Police?
It was not meant, sir. I'm sorry.
Pardon, sir?
I'm sorry, sir,
For what?
for the language.
For the language. And what about the today's statement that the grievance is? Whose grievance is, sir? Whether he is appearing for the complainant or he is appearing for the accused? Whether he has come for the direction to file the charge sheet or closure report or he has come for quashment of the proceedings? At least he is not having any grievances with regard to non-filing of the closure report. This is the height of the arrogance.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. What is the meaning of FR? And I would request both the lawyers not to speak a single word unless and until your assistance is required. You both can have your seats, sir. Don't be difficult. So, what is the meaning of final report, sir? So, you don't know even the meaning of final report. Under what provision of law you people are authorized to investigate the matters? You will not that also, I think so. Why you are not replying, sir? I am just trying to find out the real knowledge of the Superintendent of Police, who is using the word grievance and protest.
Sorry, sir.
नहीं तो अरे क्या सर, अब आप लोगों को तो लगा है कि सर आईपीएस होके डायरेक्ट हो गए हैं तो वो हम जनता के सेवक तो है ही नहीं हो, है ना? वो तो खैर आप लोग का एटीट्यूड है, रखिए नहीं, हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है? We are not concerned about your attitude. Now my question is, I just want to test your legal knowledge. अगर आप नॉलेजेबल आदमी हैं उसके बाद एरोगेंट हैं तो ठीक, अच्छी बात है. सोचने के लिए, समझने के लिए कुछ तो है आपके पास.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
नहीं, don't say sorry. The chapter over. That chapter is over. The chapter of arrogance is over, sir. हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि सुपरिटेंडेंट जो हमारे सामने सीना तान के खड़ा है कि सर झुका के खड़ा है.
It was not meant like that.
Forget about it. That chapter is over, sir. I'm saying again and again. Please accept that chapter is over. It may crop up at a later stage. I won't give you guarantee that it will not pop up at a later stage. First of all, tell me under which provisions of law the investigation is done by the police. बताइए sir. At least you are holding the post of Superintendent of Police for the last more than 1.5 years. And before joining on the post of Superintendent of Police, you must have spent a considerable time in the police stations, right? And before that, you must have undergone some training. तो बताइएगा sir, under which provision of law the investigation is done by the police? नहीं मालूम आपको? सीधा मुझे नहीं मालूम. Why should I wait? पता है तो बता दीजिए, नहीं पता तो बोल दीजिए नहीं पता. 1.5 साल से आप एसपी हैं, आपको कानून नहीं पता। इज इट नॉट अ शॉकिंग एस्पेक्ट सर? एनीहाउ, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कब स्टार्ट होता है सर?
After the FIR,
FIR is lodged under which provision of law?
CRPC
Under which provision of law? Under which provision of CRPC sir?
156,
156,
154.
154. Then what are the rights, what are the duties and obligations of the investigating officer? After the FIR is lodged and the matter is handed over to the investigating officer, then what are his duties and obligations?
To investigate thoroughly.
Thoroughly, then sir? So that is the end of the matter? No sir, then what further steps are required to be taken?
So after the investigation, whatever he finds, he files the report, sir.
He files the report. Whether he can sit over his opinion?
No, sir.
No. And what is the matter in this case?
Sir, the
Achha, under which provision of law he has to file the report? Final report, sir. नहीं मालूम आप? फाइनल रिपोर्ट किस तरीके कितने नेचर्स की होती है सर?
सर 3 तरह से हो सकती है, सर।
3 तरीके से हो सकती है, कौन कौन से सर?
चार्जशीट हो सकती है, सर। खात्मा हो सकता है, खारिजी हो सकता है।
खारिजी और खात्मे में क्या अंतर है?
सर द केस इज नॉट मेड आउट, सर। तो
और खात्मा में क्या अंतर है?
खात्मा में सर एविडेंसेस आर नॉट फाउंड।
और खारिजी में क्या अंतर है? मैं फाइनल रिपोर्ट पे जा रहा हूँ, मैं आपको 155 की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ। खात्मा और खारिजी में क्या अंतर है? जो आपने 3 तरीके की रिपोर्टें बोली थी।
सर यदि जैसा FIR में बताया वैसा हुआ नहीं है, सर, तो खारिजी होती है।
और खारिजी में क्या 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 करते हैं उसके बाद? खारिजी होगी फिर क्या करते हैं?
इट इज सबमिटेड टू द ऑनरेबल कोर्ट, सर।
He has to submit to the honorable court. अभी तो honorable court आ रही है सर। और खात्मा में क्या होता है?
If the Ayog cannot find the proper evidences,
Fine, the same thing. Then what he has to do?
he has to submit in the honorable court,
So in both the circumstances, the report has to be submitted to the court.
sir.
जब खात्मा रिपोर्ट या खारिजी रिपोर्ट जो भी आप कहना चाहें, चाहे आप उसको ER कहें, चाहे आप उसको FR कहें, what courses of action are open for the court, sir?
So he can accept, the honorable court can accept or reject.
And suppose it is rejected, then is there any third option available to the court?
Can order for the
Further investigation. Whether the police authorities have a right to sit over the matter? अब आप बताइए, 5 साल से आपके पुलिस वाले बैठे हुए हैं। आप कहते हैं on that protest I have been asked to file the affidavit. आप कहते हैं that is the grievance of the court. मैंने कहा था ये क्वेश्चन तो पॉप अप होगा।
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
सॉरी सर, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सॉरी सर? इसका मतलब ये है आपने एडमिट कर लिया है कि आपका आईओ इलीगल काम में इन्वॉल्व था। इलीगल काम में इन्वॉल्व था ना सर? क्योंकि उसको तो रिपोर्ट फाइल करनी चाहिए थी कोर्ट में। और इलीगल काम को हाईलाइट करना आपके हिसाब से बहुत बड़ा अपराध है।
We personally inquired, sir.
Forget about that. Answer your words which you have used yesterday and today. If your IO was sitting over the matter, according to you, asking for a reply from the SP is a grievance of the court. Justified now.
Sir, apology for the.
I am not going to accept your apology. I am not going to accept your apology. कानून अब आपको समझ में आ गया? उसके बाद भी आप इगोइस्टिक एटीट्यूड में खड़े हैं, जवाब पेश कर रहे हैं जो ऑन द प्रिटेक्स्ट ऑफ नॉन फाइलिंग आई हैव इश्यूड द नोटिसेस। अब आप प्रिटेक्स्ट वर्ड का मतलब समझा दीजिए। सर, आई मे बी रॉन्ग इन इंटरप्रेटिंग दैट वर्ड, so please justify your use of the word pretext. You have signed that affidavit ना, कि आपने ये एफिडेविट को ड्राफ्ट करने की ड्यूटी किसी और को डेलीगेट कर दी थी। एफिडेविट आपका मांगा गया था, आपने एफिडेविट दिया, आपने पढ़ लिया ना, समझ लिया, आपने वेरिफिकेशन दिया है कि ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट इज करेक्ट, है ना? पैरा 1 to 11 of the above affidavit are true to your personal knowledge. Now please justify your knowledge, sir. Hmm? बताइए पहले आप अपना बिहेवियर पर टप्पा जाइए यहाँ पे, फिर उसके बाद दूसरे क्वेश्चन और आते हैं। भैया पीसीएफ भी निकाल लो जरा, अनअमेंडेड भी निकाल लो और अमेंडेड भी निकाल लो। बताइए सर, पहले आप अपना बिहेवियर बताइए मेरे को। You are criticizing the court by saying that by pointing out your illegal activities, this court is showing grievance. Only by noticing your illegal activities, this court is